Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your BMW Z4 oil level. First, ensure your car is parked on a level surface. This is crucial for an accurate reading. Next, you'll want to warm up the engine to its normal operating temperature, which usually takes about 10 minutes of driving. After that, turn off the engine and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. This allows the oil to drain back into the oil pan. Now, let's use your BMW's iDrive system. Navigate to the My Vehicle menu on your iDrive display. From there, select Vehicle Status, and then choose Engine Oil Level. The screen will then show you a digital representation of your current oil level. This system is designed to be very user-friendly, providing a clear indication of whether your oil is at an optimal level or if it needs attention. It's a quick and convenient way to monitor this vital fluid. Once you see the oil level display, interpreting it is straightforward. A full green bar means your oil level is optimal and you're good to go. If the bar is low, indicating a need for oil, add it in small increments, perhaps 0.5 liters at a time. It's crucial to recheck the level after each addition to avoid overfilling, which can cause engine damage. Patience here ensures your engine remains properly lubricated and protected. To keep your BMW Z4 running smoothly, make it a habit to check your oil regularly, perhaps every 1,000 miles or at least monthly. Always use the manufacturer-recommended oil type. This is vital for engine longevity and performance. And speaking of keeping things fresh, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link for that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.